Are you looking for the best tool chests we've found online? In your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best tool chests we've found online that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Goplus 6-drawer rolling tool chest. The top of the upper portion lifts up so you can access the inner tray. In between, there are 6 drawers, 2 of which are deeper for larger tools. Each lined drawer can hold up to 22 pounds. 4 hooks on the exterior are perfect for holding wrenches or other small tools. The tool chest has a lock to keep your tools safe. 4 casters, 2 with brakes, let you maneuver the chest to wherever you need it. If desired, you can separate the upper chest from the lower cabinet. The tool chest, which has a weight capacity of 200 pounds, measures 23.5 inches wide, 52 inches tall, and 13 inches deep. Up next in the 4th place is the Milwaukee 11-drawer 61-inch mobile workbench. The tool chest has 11 lockable drawers, each with a 100-pound capacity. It also has an open cabinet with a shelf for larger tools or other items, a power strip with 6 outlets on the side for recharging your power tools, and an exterior shelf for other small items. The tool chest has 6 5-inch locking casters. It measures 37.8 inches tall, 61 inches wide, and 23.9 inches deep. The pegboard is 61 inches wide, 22.1 inches tall, and 1.5 inches deep, so you'll have plenty of room to display your tools. However, due to the large size and finicky wheels, it can be difficult to move. The 3rd product on our list is the Gearwrench 3-drawer toolbox. This sturdy steel mini tool chest is a great choice for storing extra tools, using it as an emergency toolbox in your truck, toting the essentials to a job site away from home, or just corralling your basic household tools. The 3 drawers have ball-bearing slides for smooth performance. Each drawer is 2 inches high. The top of the box lifts up, revealing a further 2.5-inch storage area. There's a handle on top for easy portability, and a lock lets you secure your tools when not in use. The Gearwrench toolbox can carry up to 75 pounds of tools. However, because it is portable, you may not want to add as many tools to make hauling it from one area to another easier. Second on our list is the Performance Tool 3-drawer roller seat. The chest has 3 small drawers and 16 exterior storage slots to hold your tools as you work. 2 fold-down magnetic storage trays hold nuts, bolts, or other small items. With the drawers directly underneath you as you sit, all you have to do is reach down to find and switch out tools. The 4 2-inch ball-bearing casters provide a stable base for gliding around hard surfaces like the garage floor, while the thick, vinyl-covered padded top will keep you comfortable for long periods. However, as with most tool chests with wheels, they can be a bit difficult to navigate when moving around your space frequently. Finally, the top product on our list is the Craftsman 2000 Series 5-drawer 26-inch rolling tool chest. Relatively small as compared to many tool chests, but just as mighty. The Craftsman 20 Series 5-drawer rolling tool cabinet is a heavy-duty tool chest that's perfect for a smaller tool collection, or as an additional storage spot if you have a larger tool collection. This sturdy steel rolling tool cabinet has 5 drawers, each gliding smoothly on soft close slides. It is lined inside to protect your tools from damage and can support up to 100 pounds. The 4 1/2-inch casters and side handles make it easy to maneuver the chest right where you need it, and the lock keeps your tools safe after hours. You also get a mat for the top of the chest, providing a non-slip surface for setting tools, your laptop, or other items you don't want scratched or damaged. And that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.